Indispensable. Absolutely necessary. My phone is indispensable for work. Entice. To attract or persuade someone. Discounts often entice people to buy things they don't need. Tangible. Something real and touchable. The company showed tangible results after a year of work. Disperse. To spread in different directions, to go in different directions or spread out. The security guard asked the group to disperse. Baffling. Hard to understand. His explanation was baffling, and I got confused. Conscientious. Very careful and responsible. My sister is very conscientious with her money. Vivid. Clear and detailed in a way that feels real. I have a vivid memory of my childhood home. Avid. Very interested in something or very eager to do it. My brother is an avid gamer. Superficial. Something that only looks at the surface or is not deep or serious. Don't judge people based on superficial things like clothes. Astute. Very intelligent and quick to understand things. He made an astute observation about the situation. Hostile. Very unfriendly or aggressive. His tone was hostile, so I left the conversation. Grim. Unpleasant. The news about the accident was grim. Notorious. Famous for something bad. The restaurant is notorious for its slow service. Apprehensive. Worried or nervous about something. She felt apprehensive before her job interview. Deficient. Lacking something important. Her diet is deficient in vitamins. Evade. To avoid or escape. He tried to evade answering the difficult question. Compliant. Willing to follow rules or orders. The company is compliant with all safety regulations. Concise. Short and clear. Please keep your explanation concise. Cumbersome. Large, heavy, or difficult to handle. The suitcase was too cumbersome to carry. Apathetic. Not showing interest or emotion. After hearing the news, he gave an apathetic response and walked away.